Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer money from Venmo to US bank. Quick fix step by step clearly. To transfer money from Venmo to US bank, first, open the Venmo app on your mobile device. Sign in to your account if you haven't already. Navigate to your balance by tapping on the icon in the top left corner. Select Manage Balance. Next, tap on the Transfer to Bank option. Choose the amount you wish to transfer. Select your linked US bank account if you have multiple accounts. If you haven't linked your US bank account yet, tap on Add Bank or Card and follow the prompts to link your bank. After selecting your US bank account, choose the transfer speed. You can opt for a standard transfer, which is free and takes 1 to 3 business days, or a quick transfer. Confirm the details of your transfer. Once everything looks correct, tap on Transfer to complete the process. You will receive a notification once the transfer is initiated. You can check the status of your transfer within the app under the Transaction History. Keep in mind that transfer times can vary based on your bank. If you encounter any issues, consult the Venmo help section for troubleshooting tips. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.